You pass your driving test, and one of the first things you're going to do is possibly do a drive-through. So we're going to visit Tim Hortons drive-through, and we're going to see what it's like, and I'm going to order a latte. So here comes Tim Hortons. I can see it ahead of us. So it looks like a right turn to get in, so it's checking and signalling. Get myself in that middle bit. I've never been here before, so this will be interesting. It's only recently opened up, so it looks quite new. It says here drive-through on the left, and it looks fairly quiet, so it's good. So I'm going to go in here, quick the sharp turn. Now, quite important, they are narrow roads, so you've got to be careful and going slow. So I'm in first gear now. Got some great offers on there actually, but I just want a latte, so I'll just put the window down.
Hi, welcome to Tim Hortons. When you got it, please?
Hi there, can I have a latte please?
I'm sorry?
A latte coffee?
Latte, small, medium, large?
Medium.
Medium.
Yes.
Anything else, sir?
That's it, thank you.
Okay, see you at the next window.
Thank you. That was easy enough. I said they're quite windy roads, and you get that in most drive-throughs. Bring it round, pick up point there, it's nicely painted on the ground. Get myself close to it so I can actually get in. Nice and easy. Hi there, let's get my card for you. Is that it? Then go for it. Here you go. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
That was easy to get in then. It surprised me because I thought it might be a bit busy, but I think it's because it's new. It's actually easy to get in and get out. But I have passed it a couple of days ago and there's a big queue there. So I suppose at certain times of day, expect any drive-through to have a bit of a queue. But that was nice then. I was in, get what I wanted, and then got out. So if you've enjoyed this quick video on a drive-through and you want to see another video, then I'll put a link at the end of this video to another drive-through I've done. And safe driving, and remember, if you're going to go through a drive-through, have your money ready, have your debit card ready,